3 women shot in Mobe. Crime gunned down in front of witnesses in Trelawney. Man killed by soldiers in Denham town. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in St. James are probing the shooting of 3 women in a yard along King Street Thursday night by a gunman. It is reported that about 10:20 p.m., the women were in the yard talking when a man came up, pulled a firearm and opened fire. The women ran in different directions as the shooter retreated from the yard. It was later discovered that all 3 women suffered gunshot wounds. Detectives from the Criminal Investigation Branch in Trelawney are probing the murder of a man who was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Copper's Pen in the parish on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as 32-year-old Durant Burke, otherwise called Crime of Hague District, Trelawney. According to the Corporate Communications Unit, the police information arm, about 11:49 p.m., Burke was sitting among a group of people when they were approached by a lone gunman who opened fire at him before escaping in a black Toyota Vaxi motor vehicle. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Burke was seen with gunshot wounds to the upper body. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A man was shot dead and a firearm seized following an altercation with members of the Jamaica Defense Force in a community known as Golden Heights in Denham Town, West Kingston on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Romaine King from the said community. Reports are that around 9:15 p.m., members of the military team were on patrol in Golden Heights when they observed 2 men along a pathway. The soldiers reportedly exited their vehicle and approached the men tactically. The men ran upon seeing the soldiers, who gave chase and called out to them to stop. King, the police stated, turned and pointed a firearm at the soldiers, who, in fear of losing their lives, opened gunfire at the now deceased, who fell to the ground, clutching the weapon. King, who was suffering from gunshot wounds to the upper body, was rushed by police to the Kingston Public Hospital, where doctors pronounced him dead. A 9mm Browning pistol with several live 9mm rounds was recovered from the scene. None of the lawmen were injured during the incident, the police stated.